Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Trade account. First, you'll need to prepare by transferring or liquidating all assets. Make sure your account balance is zero, as Trade cannot close accounts with funds or open positions. This preparation ensures a smooth process and avoids any unexpected delays. It's important to handle these steps carefully to prevent complications. Once you've decided to close your account, the next step is to move your assets. You can transfer securities to another brokerage or withdraw cash balances through an ACH transfer or by requesting a check. It's crucial to ensure there are no pending trades, outstanding debits, or uncollected funds. This ensures your account is truly empty and ready for closure. After your account is completely empty, you'll need to contact Trade directly to initiate the closure. You can reach their customer service by phone or secure message. They may require you to fill out a specific account closure form. Be sure to confirm the entire process and expected timeline with the representative to avoid any misunderstandings. Before finalizing, remember to download and save all necessary tax documents, such as Form 1099, for your records. Be mindful of any potential fees Trade might charge for account closure or asset transfers. These can sometimes be around $75, so it's good to be prepared. Also, for some great deals, including a link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check out the description below. Thanks for watching.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.